Welcome back to Revolutionizing Healthcare. Today we are going to make chicken tikka masala using essential oils in the Instapot. Real quick guys, before we begin, make sure you subscribe, hit that bell button. We usually put up at least one video a week and you do not want to miss out. Also, join our Facebook group where we have constant essential oil ideas posted every day. As always, when cooking or using essential oils internally, make sure you only use 100% certified pure therapeutic grade essential oils. If you're using a different type of essential oil, you do so at your own risk. You can find these oils in the description down below. Ingredients we are going to need for this recipe: 3/4 of a cup of plain yogurt, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 tablespoon cumin, 1 teaspoon crushed red pepper, 1 teaspoon salt, 1.5 pounds of chicken tenders, patted dry, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 1 chopped medium onion, 3 cloves of minced garlic, 1 14.5 ounce can of fire roasted diced tomatoes, undrained, half a cup of coconut milk, hot cooked basmati rice, 1/3 cup of chopped fresh cilantro. Essential oils you are going to need for this recipe are 1 drop of black pepper, 1 drop of cinnamon, 2 drops of ginger, 1 drop of basil, and 1 drop of cilantro. First we are going to prepare our marinade by first adding our essential oils. Next add the yogurt, cumin, crushed red pepper, salt, and lemon juice. Stir to mix thoroughly. Add chicken to your marinade and coat thoroughly. Cover with saran wrap and place in fridge for at least 4 hours or overnight. Turn Instant Pot to saute and add oil. When hot, add onions and garlic. Stir constantly for 3 to 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, add 1 to 2 drops of ginger oil. Stir that in. Add tomatoes and stir those in. Add marinated chicken. Mix in thoroughly. Close lid and set pressure valve to seal. Turn on pressure cook to high pressure for 12 minutes. When timer goes off, press cancel and use a pressure release. Remove chicken and split into small pieces. Add chicken back to the pot. Add 1 drop of basil. Add 1 drop of cilantro. And half a cup of coconut milk. Stir to combine. Remove to a serving plate. Sprinkle with cilantro and enjoy. Guys, as always, please throw me some thumbs up if you like this video. And if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe, hit that bell, that way you don't miss out on any of our weekly videos coming up. And remember, you can find the best ingredients and the best essential oils in the entire world at the best prices in the link down below. I will see you next week on Revolutionizing Healthcare.